Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I'm going to the OnePlus 7 Pro launch event. The one that I'm going to is in San Francisco, and it's actually in a T-Mobile store. So let's get started.
So my original plan was to go on BART like I did last year for the OnePlus 6, but unfortunately there were too many people taking up all the spots, and honestly it was kind of unreal. But either way, I just decided to drive all the way to San Francisco. So there wasn't too much traffic, so it wasn't actually that bad. Coming back there was a lot of traffic, but either way, looked nice too. Little overcast, but not too bad. So once I parked, I walked over to the OnePlus event, and that's when I realized it was actually a T-Mobile store. So with the OnePlus 6, they didn't have it in a store, they just rented out a space. But for this, they had it in a T-Mobile store, which wasn't that bad. The only issue that I had with it is that I wanted to buy the unlocked dual SIM version. And the one that they were selling was not a dual SIM version. Either way, I still bought the phone because I do need to do a review for it. But they were giving out some free stuff, and I'll talk to you about that in a few seconds. There was only one area where they were showing off the OnePlus 7 Pro, but I completely missed that when I walked into the store. And there were a few people walking around showing what the phone looked like, and this is what it looked like. Well, this is actually the water bottle that they gave me. It was kind of an odd experience because it was in the T-Mobile store, but it wasn't too bad. I also felt awkward kind of recording everything, so I don't really have too much in the actual store itself. But yeah, this year they made it really easy to kind of just walk in and walk out whether you're going to buy a phone or not. I was there for maybe 30-45 minutes, but most of that was just standing in line.
Okay, so we're back and we got this bag. So, like I said, it was in a T-Mobile store, so let's see what they gave me. So we got chewy chocolate chip cookies, a bottle of OnePlus water, a hat that says never settle.
So here's the hat. Seems pretty comfortable.
A tote bag that says never settle.
And here's the never settle tote. Pretty nice material. Has like a little magnet right here, so it'll close up. Not too bad.
And a sketchbook.
And here's the sketchbook. Looks really nice. Has a boarding pass looking thing on here. That's pretty cool. 2 p.m. was when the pop-up store opened, so I wonder if that's related.
And of course we have the OnePlus 7 Pro. This is the 256GB version in Nebula Blue. And now it's time to unbox these things. Well, technically I guess I've already done that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below or on Twitter at MattofRWR what you guys think, and what do you want to know about this phone? Subscribe if you like videos like this, or you want to see review and repair videos, and hit that bell button so then YouTube actually reminds you when those videos do come out. Thanks for watching.